Well thought through there, mate. Well controlled. Well geared down. That would bob on that, mate. Right, a little bit of brake. Got a problem there with that Mercedes. So go up to the keep clear, yeah? Get us gear 1. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. Because bus needs to get behind you, don't they? Right. Where there, yeah? Why do you think the Mercedes ended up where they did? So go forward, do a left at the traffic lights, please.
Stop late for red.
Ambulance.
Oh, right, yeah.
Ambulance had gone through, haven't they?
Ah, yeah.
So the ambulance had obviously gone through on a red. The Mercedes had come up to the junction on a green, let the ambo go. They ended up stopped there, didn't they?
Yeah.
And then, by sheer bad luck, the number 7 came. But, what did I prompt you before we even got to it?
Slow down.
Watch the Mercedes, yeah? Because I knew there's no way the bus would have got round. That's why the stop line is so far back. Light, turn right, please.